What does a frog sound like? Good job. Now ask Nana what a frog sounds like.
What does a frog sound like?
Becca.
No, frog says rabbit.
But frogs in India sound like...
Becca.
That's not. The frogs don't say bucka cup in India.
Yes, they do. Okay, Rohan, you tell us, what does a dog sound like?
Woof, 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 woof.
Okay, what does a dog sound like in India?
Wow.
No? Yeah.
Tell me, what does a rooster sound like?
I got the do.
Okay, ask Nana what a rooster sounds
Now
like.
what does the rooster say?
Cuckoo.
Yeah, okay.
Rohan, what does a horse say?
Nay.
Good job. What does a horse sound like in India?
He.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What does a bird say?
Teet.
Good job. What does a bird say in India?
Ka.
Oh, a crow. Okay. What do you think, Rohan? What does a crow say?
Go.
Okay. What does a tiger sound like, Rohan?
Wah.
What does a tiger sound like in India?
Grrr.
Go.
What does a cat sound like?
Meow.
What does a cat sound like in India?
Same. Meow.
Oh, same. Okay. Meow. What does an elephant sound like?
Blah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What does an elephant sound like in India?
Blah.
Something like that.
What does a monkey sound like? Are you a monkey? Is that a monkey?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see you pretend to be a monkey. Okay, what does a monkey sound like in India?
Kitch.
What? What does a monkey sound like?
Kitch.
And Rohan, what does a cow sound like?
Moo.
Moo? What does a cow sound like in India?
Amba.
What?
Amba.
Say it again.
Amba.
What does a cow sound like in India?
Amba.